This is a short excursion.
Short excursion? Yeah, lots of killings, bombs, ships, aircrafts, financial crisis, almost World War III. That's it. Just a short excursion. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, time for Sims International. Today's episode is brought to you by the letter U for unhinged, unconditional, and uncle. Donald Trump's war in the Middle East is now 1 week old. And honestly, it's having a bigger identity crisis than a teenager on TikTok. शुरुआत हुई थी डेमोक्रेसी से और अब बात पहुंच गई है अनकंडीशनल सरेंडर तक। गोल्स इतनी तेजी से बदल रहे हैं कि यूएस मिलिट्री को हर सुबह नया जीपीएस कोऑर्डिनेट्स डाउनलोड करने पड़ते हैं। 13 reasons why का न्यू सीजन इज लाइव गाइस। रीजन नंबर 1, let the people rise and reclaim their country. How about that? Reason number 2, destroy the imminent threat, remember? Reason number 3, regime change, the standard American starter pack. Reason number 4, personally pick the next leader. Reason number 5, unconditional surrender. Guys, it's new in the market. Reason number 6, because short exclusion sounds better than World War III. 7th, to show off the 44 ships he wiped out. 8th, रशिया को चिढ़ाने के लिए maybe. 9, maybe to prove Iran has bad aim. 10, the serious one, Epstein files cover up. 11th, to make sure gas prices go up and then down or whatever. Reason number 12, Israel को gift देना है. Reason number 13, honestly, probably because the Mar-a-Lago Wi-Fi was down that morning, or that was just Trump's mood, maybe. Even he doesn't know why the hell he is fighting with Iran.
Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated. Our objective was the destruction of Iran's nuclear enrichment capacity and a stop to the nuclear threat posed by the world's #1 state sponsor of terror.
I said unconditional, not conditional. I said unconditional.
To all Iranian patriots, keep protesting.
From reclaiming the country to unconditional surrender, Trump's justifications for the strikes on Iran have been a moving target. Over the course of the week, his goals shifted from threat neutralization to choosing a new leader personally, leaving his administration in a state of constant contradiction. चुन लिया ओ साथी चुन लिया, न कॉल किया, ट्रंप फूफा को न नेक दिया। झंड तो भयानक हुई है क्योंकि ट्रंप ने तो ये भी कहा था,
We've decimated their whole evil empire.
नहीं हुआ रेजीम चेंज नहीं हुआ, चुन लिया आयतुल्ला के बेटे को चुन लिया, सुप्रीम लीडर वही हुआ। Sorry guys for the bad music, but that's true. If you have wiped them out 4 times, who is still firing missiles? Are we fighting a Call of Duty lobby? Everyone is just respawning. I feel really bad for Trump uncle. He's the most powerful leader, पर कोई नहीं सुन रहा है भाई की। जो आ रहा है टपली बजा के निकल जा रहा है। बार बार बेचारे को खुद ही I am the best चिल्लाना पड़ रहा है। ट्रंप अंकल ईरान की सेना से कह रहे हैं,
I said unconditional, not conditional. I said unconditional.
And Iranians right now.
Sorry, Shaktiman.
Now something serious.
Did the United States bomb a girls' elementary school in southern Iran on the first day of the war and kill 175 people?
In my opinion, based on what I've seen, that was done by Iran.
Okay, are you sure?
Is that true, Mr. Hegseth? It was Iran who did that?
We're certainly investigating.
Okay, so when he got nothing, he does this.
It was Kamala.
He called Kamala Harris Kabbalah. He needs speech therapy for real now. Remember?
Swami Vivekanand.
सुधर जाओ फिर मोदी जी आपको
Mr. Dolan!
ये बुलाएंगे तो फिर बुरा मत मानना। नहीं अब रोना नहीं है आपने। ठीक है guys, enough of these war mongering leaders. Let's look at someone who's actually know what he wants from life. Meet Pillai Byung. Pillai Byung is a wild elephant in Thailand and Pillai Byung has a very simple life motto. क्यों फॉरेस्ट में घास खाऊं जब बाजू में है बिग बाजार खुला? Look at this video. This isn't a break-in, this is a drive-through gone wrong. But Pillai Byung Lake is a pro. He didn't flinch, he didn't panic, he just browsed the shelves like he was looking for a specific brand of keto snacks. I love the owner's reaction. Let's call him Kamal. He didn't scream. No, he took a video. Gen Z is everywhere, boss. Even if a dinosaur walks into their house, पहले reel बनेगी, help तो मांग ही लेंगे. Okay, so Kamal says he ate 9 bags of sweet rice, crackers, a sandwich, and some dried bananas. And the best part, after finishing his meal, he didn't just leave, he backed out of the shop still holding a bag of snacks in his trunk. That's the classic ad on purchase. He's like, ये रास्ते के लिए पैक कर दो, अगर मुझे रास्ते में भूख लग गई तो. The only problem was he didn't have a digital account to pay. Anyway, but wait, it gets better. Danai, a volunteer park worker, he says after the grocery store, this legend went and opened a bedroom window of another house. अब इतना खाने के बाद नींद भी तो आएगी ना. Okay, on a serious note, there are 4,000 wild elephants in Thailand, and as forests shrink, they are coming to town. With that, ladies and gentlemen, time for some real chaos from the world. State media reports Mujtaba Khamenei as Iran's new supreme leader following the deaths of his father and family in a US-Israel strike. The 56-year-old survived the initial bombing by not being present at the site. A 30-year-old woman was arrested for firing multiple shots at American star Rihanna's Beverly Hills mansion. According to People magazine, one bullet pierced a wall while the Grammy winner singer was inside the home. Global oil prices have breached the $100 mark as the US-Israel war on Iran intensifies. Driven by fears of prolonged supply disruptions, the international benchmark Brent crude surged over 20% on Sunday, peaking at $114 per barrel. Alright guys, that was my time. How did you like the video? Comment down, and if you like the show, subscribe the channel and keep watching Zinkabad.